let's get started. Let's understand what is Power BI and why we need it. We are going to learn the main job roles in Power BI. Number one. Number two, advantages of Power BI. Number three, the course content curriculum. This is Sai Fanendra from SQL School. I assure you practical classes from scratch, right from the basics. Need your support. On-time practice. Our Power BI classes are lengthy, useful, detailed, step by step. They are lengthy, no doubt about it. We need to learn good number of concepts from scratch in Power BI. We'll start from installation, end with project for our resume. We have good number of concepts in Power Query. There are total 4 modules. All visualizations, the basics module, then something called Power Query, something else called Cloud and DAX. But what are these? Let's understand slowly what is Power BI. Well, let's get started now. Power BI, a suite of business analytic tools to design reports and perform data analysis. Power BI dashboards to group multiple reports. What is it? To group multiple reports together for easy end user access. So we are going to start with reports first, then go to dashboards next. Then slowly understand something called data models and AI for self-service BI technology. Here BI means business intelligence. What does it mean? Using Power BI, using the BI tools, we are going to read various types of data and present beautiful reports like this. These are all the sample reports we are going to generate in our classes. So the source of data, the source of these reports, the actual data, either in files or databases. I repeat, the source of information would be either files, apps, websites, or IoT devices, etc. From there, you can directly do Power BI. We need something called Power Query in between. It's like a kitchen area, our kitchen area. We clean the data, we get the raw data, then clean it, dice it, slice it, and then finally go for reporting. That is one option. Other option, data can be residing in database. From there, we generate reports. Okay, we generate reports from there. Or data can be in a warehouse. Data can be in a warehouse also. From there, we generate the reports. So data can be either in number one, regular data source files, or data can be in a preferred data source tables. If it is files, Power Query. If it is database, either OLTP, online transaction processing databases, OLTP, or data warehouse, we use SQL. So some way or the other, we should be able to read data from various sources and add color to our data. In this process, we have something called DAX, Data Analysis Expression Language. Like for example, star ratings. 4-star, 5-star ratings. How they are computed? By using DAX. Predictive analysis, forecasts using DAX. And we have AI for faster DAX and faster analytics. Say optimized analytics. I repeat again, the source information can be supplied to Power Query and proceed for reporting, or supplied through SQL for reporting purpose. In our classes, we need to understand all these items. So here it is. We need to learn the step-by-step process on Power Query, extract, transform, load, and DAX. So first we'll take all the basics, right from introduction, installation, understand good number of concepts and scenarios, the strong basement. Then we'll proceed for Power Query concepts, about 50 examples on Power Query for extraction, transformation, and loading, 50 examples on cloud, and 50 examples on DAX, data analysis expression language. Okay, we'll do it carefully. Next, from here we have the next activity. Friends, we'll go for questions in next few minutes anyway. We'll go for questions for next few minutes. Let's understand slowly the length and breadth of our classes. In our journey, Power BI, we need to work with various tools. There are total 7 design tools we need to work with. Power BI is a suite of tools. 6 design tools on my screen. All these 6 design tools, 1 gateway. Total 7 tools we need to install and learn. There are 2 storage components, cloud and report server. Cloud for social media or website integrations, blog integrations, etc. And other one, we have report server. What is it? Report server. This is like a dine-in within our premises, within our company's server, within our company's network. The reports will be hosted like defense agencies, government projects, very secure. So we use report server. We don't use cloud there. Security. So the customers wanted the reports to be in more secure region. Power BI cloud reports can be to public websites. Like for example, you log into Make My Trip or Clear Trip or any other travel website like TripAdvisor, we see reports. They're public for everyone. The Power BI cloud. It's not like cloud cannot be secure. It is secure, but report server is more secure. In our classes, we need to learn all these 1 through 9, total 9 items. We need to learn them carefully. So keeping in mind the length and the depth of our easy, useful classes, my kind request, revise MS SQL concepts, especially concept 1 to 15. Revise them. 1 to 10 are very much mandatory. 1 to 15 good. For experienced profiles, 1 to 30. Please revise them. You're already aware of MS SQL. Please revise those items carefully for best understanding of the concepts in an easier way. We'll start core Power BI next. If someone is new to SQL, he'll complete that classes and then step into Power BI. We are into core Power BI next item today. Let's understand now how to step into Power BI. The right side red box. Here it is. What is Power BI? A set of analytical tools. Means using Power BI tools, we can perform data analytics. Using Power BI, we can read data from any data source, clean, shape, and format the data. Proceed for actual reporting. Observe there now. Okay, next. Here, using Power BI, we can securely store reports and include them. Embed means here, include them into end user websites and apps. There are 4 types of reports we need to work with. I repeat again, let me take you back to one of the diagrams I was showing you a few minutes back. This one. There are 4 types of report elements. Okay, see here. Is my voice clear, everyone? Please. Abhishek, Buchaya Chaudhary, Sarathi,
Yes.
Manohar, Pavan, please.
Yes.
I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Then fine. Yeah, sure. There are 4 types of reports. Interactive reports, something new. Okay, observe carefully. Paginated reports, analytical reports, mobile reports. 4 report types. For interactive, we have 2 tools, cloud and report server. Interactive. Same way, paginated, cloud, report server. So interactive, 2 tools, paginated, 2 tools, one for cloud, one for report server. Cloud is a remote storage. Then we have analytical reports, mobile reports. So total 6 items, 6 tools. But what's the difference between these report types? Let's see. By heart all these notes today, I'll mail you. In a Word document format, I'll mail you these notes. Please take a print copy of everyday notes. Go through it carefully. There are 4 types of reports. Interactive reports. These reports are hosted in social media, or hosted or say designed, simply designed for social media, website integrations, easy end user analytics. Hence the name interactive. Other one, paginated. These reports are designed for automated emails, like our bank statements or credit card bills. Okay, like this. Those we have paginated reports we are going to design. Then analytical reports. These reports are designed using Excel with Power BI Cloud as a data source. Remember this. Remember, Power BI Cloud can store the data. That data can be used by Excel for reporting. That is called analytical reports. Then we are going to practice mobile reports. These reports can be, say, are designed for mobiles and tablets and helpful for quick insights and accurate analytics. To support these 4 report types, we have 7 tools, free tools. Power BI desktop RS, one for cloud, one for report server. Then report builder, one for cloud, one for report server. Analytics, Excel analytics and mobile report publisher, 2 optional add-ins or optional add-ons. Then gateway, this tool is used to connect our local or company's data centers to cloud, perform data refresh activities. So total we have 7 different items. Okay, this diagram, please remember this. I'll provide you all this content. Please take print copies if possible. Next, there are 2 techniques involved. There are 3 techniques now. Power Query, a platform used to perform data extraction, cleansing, and shaping the data. So data extraction from various sources. Perform data cleansing activity. Okay, finally give it to Power BI for reporting purpose. Okay, next. Here it is, this one, this diagram I'm talking about. Power Query, we're talking Power Query activity. Then we have other one, DAX, Data Analysis Expression Language. Mainly for big data analytics, forecasts, computations, calculations, etc. It's completely GUI based. Then comes something called AI and Copilot. This platform is used for automated DAX expression generation and faster report rendering activities or faster report design. Then we have hosting environments. Power BI service, Power BI server. Service, it's a cloud component to store all above mentioned 4 reports, 4 report types. Then we have a report server. For on-premises means within your company's server, within your company's network. I mean, here it is, reports are stored in on-premises data center, means within your company, within your company's server. Okay, whereas Power BI cloud reports are stored in cloud and more flexible and AI implementations. If it is report server, no AI implementations are possible as on date. So total there are 12 components we need to learn in our classes. Nodes, task items, data sources, certification items, I will take care. The guidance part I'll take care. But on time practice, I request you to take care, please. It's required. From here, let's go for questions clarifications. Please go through 1 to 12 items carefully. Any questions, please let me know. I'll wait. Yes, email will be sent in another few minutes. Email will be sent in next few minutes. In the meantime, any questions, please? I'll wait. Mic with you now, please. We'll start the installation slowly. I'll wait, please. Any questions?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Pavan, please tell me.
Sir, is there ETL tool is included for this Power BI? ETL process?
Yeah, ETL, we have Power Query. Yeah, using Power Query, we are going to do all ETL activities. Yes.
So, observing that only extraction part is there, right? There is no translation, there is no
We have 50
loading.
transformations in our classes in Power Query. 50 transformation examples in our classes.
Loading part, sir?
Sorry?
Loading. Actually, ETL means extra transaction loading, right? But you have mentioned like only extraction part.
Loading into Power BI in-memory database. That's what Power Query will do.
Okay.
If you want dedicated ETL, then go for data factory separately. That is loading into warehouse. Here we are loading into Power BI in-memory database. That's a concept here. This one, brother, on the screen. I'll show you. Here we say one of our class notes. We'll say ETL process. Okay, load it into Power BI in-memory database. Okay, that's a ETL Power Query. If you want to load the data into warehouse, then go for data factory, ADF, FDF, Databricks, the separate one altogether. Next question, please. I'll wait. Power, some background sound, sir. Please check your mic. Yeah. Rojin, please tell me. Proceed. Yes.
What are the different sources which are gonna connect to SQL or any cubes?
Cubes we have in our MSBI associates with Power BI there. Here on my screen, non-database sources, database sources. This is the list we'll follow.
So even OLAP will be covered, right?
Yes. OLAP source will be covered, not the design. Design we have it in our MSBI separate course. Okay.
No, connecting.
Connecting, yes, we have to do. We should be aware of it. Next question, please. I'll wait. Fine. Yes, friends. So we'll slowly start our next activity, the installation part. We'll start doing it from tomorrow. I'll provide you the download link today. We need to have so total 7 different downloads. We'll start with one. Number 1, you see on the screen. The required data sources, I will take care. I'll provide the required data sources. We have something like JSON, DAT files, old, legacy systems we call DAT files, Parquet files. I understand we are new to this terminology, something called AVRO, Avro files. But Power BI has the talent of understanding all types of data, and we have to get them as well in our classes. Things are a bit vast. Please tell me, friends, how many hours you can practice per day, please? Minimum 1 hour every one. Please, I'll wait. Please, minimum 1 hour, everyone, please.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Abhishek, yes.
Yes.
Bocha
Yes,
Chaudhary,
sir.
yes, please. Minimum 1 hour, please.
Yes,
Bocha
sir.
Chaudhary.
Yeah,
Thank
yes,
you.
sir. 1 hour.
Sure, Sarathi. Yes, yes. And bless him. Can you hear me, please? Bless him. Please check your mic, please. I'll wait.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can practice for me, right? Minimum 1 hour,
Yes,
please.
sir.
Every day.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. And Manohar, you can practice for me minimum 1 hour, please. Manohar.
Sure. Sure, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Pawan, minimum 1 hour, Pawan, please. Minimum 1
Yeah,
hour.
sure. Sure, sir.
Thank you. Yep. And Pranati, please let me know. Minimum 1 hour you can practice for me.
Yes.
Pranati.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Thank you. And Pawan, you're asking about the question on ETL. Let me put this way. I can
Yes.
provide a small diagram to make it more easier for you to understand the things on my screen. ETL we can do using SQL. Okay. ETL we can do using SQL. Select into statement. Select into is nothing but ETL. Or we can do ETL using Power Query. Or we can do ETL using Power Query within Azure, Power Query within Fabric. Okay. I mean Power Query within Power BI, load it into in-memory database. Power Query within Azure, load it to Synapse. Power Query within Fabric, load it to Lakehouse. So Power Query is common everywhere, but the destination is different. It depends. So you have Power Query in Analytics, Power Query in Azure, Power Query in Fabric. Our course is into core Power BI now from tomorrow. Pavan, hope you got some
So,
ideas, sir. Some basic idea.
so basic syntax and everything code, everything is same, sir, for both things.
Not exactly same, brother. For example, like for example, I'll put this way. In Fabric, we have Power Query activities. I'll show you. I think in module 2, we have Power Query. Yeah. There, the syntax was actually mentioned the same thing. Like Power Query is everywhere, on premises, Azure. But if you take the syntax and data types, there is some difference. Some difference is there. Azure, Power Query, Fabric, Power Query, Power BI, Power Query. There are minor differences. There are minor differences. But overall format will be same. The overall format will be more or less similar. It's like MS Excel and Google Excel sheet. Minor differences will be there, something like that. But we know one thing, we can easily get the other thing easily. Minor modifications. Not exactly same. Pavan, are you getting my answer, sir? I'll wait. Yeah.
Yeah, got it, sir. Got it.
Fine, sir. Yeah. Next. Please wait. Let me touch base with everyone, please. Please wait. Sure. And Rojin, yes, you can practice for me minimum 1 hour, please. Rojin, please. Minimum 1 hour. Rojin, I'll wait.
Sure.
Thank you. Rahul, you can practice for me minimum 1 hour, please.
Yeah. Sure, sir.
Thank you. Sure, sure. Thank you. And next, Sweta Sri, please, minimum 1 hour, madam, from tomorrow.
Sir, yes.
Sweta Sri, I could see like you are missing few SQL classes last week, right? I remember.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, so did you get chance to work on those videos and done, madam? Practice done? SQL?
Yeah. I'm still doing that one.
Please revise, madam, all 1 to 10 thoroughly. Okay, 1 to 10 thoroughly, please. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. And Vinay, how is your practice, Vinay? Let me know, please. Vinay,
Yeah.
Vinay, can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Fine, Vinay.
Yes,
So
sir.
you can practice for me at least 1 hour a day, Vinay, please. Minimum 1 hour, please. Vinay, 1 hour, please. Vinay.
Yes.
Sure. Thank you. Yes, friends. I'll send you the complete information now. I need to send you, friends, one thing. I know you are cautious. To show your seriousness, I want you to take a color print of this sheet, okay? I'll send it today. Take a color print and stick it before you, say on the wall before you. Really, it works. It works. We are going to learn the same thing. It works. And what else? SQL. Please revise MS SQL until joins, please. It works. And whatever notes I'll provide you, please take print copy of the notes. So I'll be sending you 2 Word documents today. One is introduction, like what is Power BI, what are the different items in Power BI, what's the purpose of each, extract, transform, load, Power Query, where we are loading, Power BI in-memory database. So what is that Power BI in-memory database? Tomorrow's class. Tomorrow we are going to learn it. There is one database called Power BI in-memory Vettipack database, we call it. This one, friends. Okay, in-memory X velocity Vettipack database is there. So we need to understand the architecture items slowly, step by step, with good amount of examples. So I'll provide you today's introduction and tomorrow's class notes in advance. Okay, I'll send them today. Please download, take print copies of the document. Things are a bit lengthy for our job purpose. Need your support. And someone called VRSQL. Can you hear me, please? I couldn't see the name. VRSQL. Not
Yes,
sure.
sir.
Yes, madam. Yeah. You can practice minimum 1 hour every day, please. Please, for me.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, friends. Email sent to everyone just now. Kindly check. Please check it. Email sent just now. We'll slowly start our installation tomorrow. I have sent you 2 documents. Please download both. The second document has download link. Please download, get the things ready. Please do it for me. Email sent to everyone. Kindly check. I'll wait. I have sent all the information. Kindly check it, friends. I'll wait. Got the email, please? Everyone, please. I'll wait. And Sharma, I couldn't hear you earlier. Sharma, please check your mic, brother, please.
We got it.
Sharma, yes. Fine, yeah.
I think previously I joined as a listen only mode and I can't be able to mute. Just now I am able to mute. I don't know the reason.
Yeah,
I'm
I
trying
could
to
see the
unmute
mic
since
was not
30
enabled
minutes.
for me. Yeah, exactly, sir. I think some issue with the mic. It was not enabled for me at all. I tried to unmute you. It's not working at all for me. I think you
Okay.
reconnected now, right? Now it is
Yeah.
working fine.
I disconnected and reconnected.
Yeah, I think that worked. Maybe. Yeah. Fine. Yes, Sharma, you're aware of SQL concept, Sharma? Please confirm.
Yeah. I know.
Perfect. Yeah. And next, I could see your question, Sharma. What are the DBMS softwares we can use as a source? My God, lot of DBMS, Sharma. Let me give you the interface here. You have Oracle, Microsoft SQL, Sybase, Informix, Ingress. Truly speaking, to my observation and my experience, no limit at all. Any DBMS you can use.
Okay.
Any DBMS. I'll show you the interface now, okay? I'll show you the interface. And not only database, Sharma, even we can use Google Sheets as a source, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Zoho, SAP, Salesforce, IBM mainframes. I'll show you the interface now. Friends, remember, Power BI as the definition, friends. Power BI can read any data, any type of data. That's the reason we need Power Query. Remember, Power Query is a kitchen area for us. Cleaning, dicing, slicing, Power Query can do for us. So, Power BI is very vast. It's very useful. Let me show you what I mean. Sharma, do you see my screen, Sharma?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Friends, no worries about the interface. We are going to install it tomorrow. Okay, we'll install it tomorrow. Just there was a question, what kind of database management systems Power Query can support? And here is my answer. Right from Excel, text file, folder, all files, SQL database, Access database, IBM DB2, Oracle, MySQL, Postgres, Sybase, Teradata, SAP, and Amazon, Google, Sbase, everything, including Custom query language, the new item in Fabric now, Custom KQL databases. We have separate 3 weeks course only for KQL now. This for monitoring, okay, mainly monitoring and alerting activities. We use Custom query language, KQL database. And next, Microsoft product. And we have, good amount of factors like SharePoint, Microsoft Dynamics, and anywhere, wherever you store data, that data you can happily report in Power BI. Sharma, are you getting it, sir? I'll wait.
Yeah.
Fine. Next question, friends. I'll wait. Please let me know. Fine, friends. We'll stop for today. Need your support.
Hi,
Please.
sir. Just a hello.
Rahul, tell me, sir. Tell me before we disturb me, sir.
Quick question. What do you
Tell
mean
me,
by
sir.
fabric? When you are saying fabric, what exactly does it mean? Is it something?
It is a cloud from Microsoft. Actually, it's a new cloud. I don't want to say new. It's almost 1.5 years now. 1.5 to almost 2 years. Fabric. It's an alternative for Azure.
Oh, okay.
Fabric is a cloud alternative to Azure. Our Power BI used to have its own cloud in the past. We used to say Power BI cloud. Now the Power BI is inside Fabric. So learning Power BI means we are indirectly learning Fabric also from analytic perspective. Getting it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Fabric is a house. For Microsoft is the owner. Azure is one house. Fabric is another house. Power BI is a room inside the Fabric house. Are you getting my point now?
Right. Understood.
Fine. We will take it, sir. We'll take it slowly anyway. Yeah.
Okay.
Next question, please, friends. I'll wait.
Is mails dispersed or FAQ dispersed?
Sorry. Please tell me, Sarma.
No.
I missed your voice.
Is mails already sent or yet to send?
Yeah, already sent, Sarma. Friends, everyone, please check it once, please.
No,
I think it's on the way. No, sent.
I don't
Received.
receive it.
Yeah, I received.
Might be on the way, Sarma. I'll wait until you receive it. I'll wait until you receive it. Yeah. Fine, friends. So we'll stop for now. Any questions, please let me know. I'll stay back for some time. Make sure we receive the mail, single mail with 2 attachments, intro and report. I mean, the notes for tomorrow's class. We'll slowly start our class from tomorrow. We'll stop for today. I'll stay back for